Today, the Wildlife Conservation Organization we are going to introduce is American Bird Conservancy.
I'm going to introduce the location of American Bird Conservancy. American Bird Conservancy has two offices. One is the main office, another is the DC office. The main office is mainly used to receive letters, such as regular mail, registered mail, and certified mail, as well as to receive goods. And the DC office is located at Washington, D.C. The Washington is the capital of the American.
American Bird Conservancy (ABC) is a non-profit membership organization with the mission of conserving wild birds and their habitats throughout the Americas. Its focus is on threats to birds in the Western Hemisphere, threats which include overuse of pesticides, urban sprawl, habitat destruction, and invasive species, with an emphasis on achieving results and working in partnership. It takes on the greatest problems facing birds today, innovating and building on rapid advancements in science to halt extinction, protect habitat, eliminate threats, and build capacity for bird conservation.
American Bird Conservancy How to Works. There are the following 4 points. First, halting extinction. They establishing a network of nearly 90 reserves, protecting the only home of the marvelous spectral and dozens of other rare birds, supporting a strong, fully funded Endangered Species Act to help endangered birds in the United States recover, and working to end the mortality of seabirds, including waved albatross, lesser albatross, by promoting sustainable fisheries. Second, conserving habitat. Here are some of the ways they accomplish habitat conservation across areas both small and vast. Establishing flagship projects to solve key management problems and help landowners conserve birds, such as their work with golden-winged warbler, protecting the most irreplaceable sites for birds, like Mexico's desert grasslands, that play an indispensable role in the lives of migratory birds like western sparrow, and maintaining or increasing federal funding for neotropical migratory bird conservation. Third, eliminating threats like free-roaming cats, window strikes, collisions, wind turbines, use of pesticides, poorly managed fisheries. Try to educate the public as much as possible, and they also employ scientists doing original research to help private industry innovate new products such as bird-friendly grass and ABC bird tape that encourage positive actions to minimize impact. At last, building capacity. The foundation of their work is building capacity. Informed people who love birds and take action are essential to our conservation success. So, are partners empowered with the necessary resources?
They expand bird conservation efforts by empowering people, including communicating the ways people can live a bird-friendly life, maintaining a list of easy ways citizens can take action on urgent threats to birds, unifying conservation and bird-watching groups through the Bird Conservation Alliance, and providing tools to help our partners reach sustainability goals.
The next thing I want to introduce is the endangered bird, the cerulean warbler. Every summer, the blue warbler breeds in the broadleaf forests of the eastern United States and Canada. The blue warbler is a species of high concern in the United States because populations are very small and declining their range. The blue warbler has declined by 80% over the past 40 years and is listed at near certain under International Union of Conservation of Nature red list of certain species. The main reason for blue warbler's endangerment include the clearing of forest land for farming or livestock activities. Blue warblers depend on shade coffee plantations for the mature forest habitat they require. But this traditional farming technique is under pressure from world coffee price activity, and many shade coffees are being converted into high-yielding sun coffees or other. The blue warbler's habitat is rapidly decreasing due to crops, and habitat loss in the south is causing the center of its breeding range to shift northward.